Things are starting to get active. Yes, indeed, Haley. Tonight, some rainfall.
And then a pretty sky out there.
The photos that have come in is unbelievable.
Yeah.
There's a lot, and we're going to try and post them on our Facebook page, too. So.
And you can go to our individual Facebook pages.
That's right. I forgot about that. Yeah, we'll have
and then like the page while you're there. I posted some sunset photos. Bob's going to post a bunch, so
That's
go
right.
to our individual pages and see those.
WWSB, Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan.
Facebook.com/Haley Wilgus.
There you go.
You got it.
And I tell you what, there are some great shots out there. Here's a Van Wezel webcam. This is a time lapse of what was going on today. We did get some rainfall, a little bit of rain finally. The atmosphere moistened up and brought some moderate to heavy rain at times. In Van Wezel webcam showing a gorgeous sunset tonight, just the clouds actually shining, some interesting colors there as you saw. And the photos I said came in, and there were a lot of them. This one from Ronald, we'll try to get some new people in there involved. And Ronald getting this nice shot, and this one from Sydney. Sydney was sending this in. Look, this is a little example of what it was like tonight and last night. Who needs an eclipse? This is just absolutely gorgeous. And this one here from Linda, and she also getting and capturing those palm trees there with the beautiful shot it was. Now here is a look at what's been going on. Some moisture has returned to the Suncoast just for one day only, it looks like. It will be leaving us tomorrow afternoon. Now, there's some very dry air. You see how skies are clear here throughout the Bahamas. That's where all that dry air is. And then to the east of that, very moist tropical air. So this is going to wrap around too. Eventually on Sunday, it'll be back in place for us. And a return of those showers and storms will come back with a vengeance on Sunday. You can see that disk. It looks like a big hurricane, but it's dry air. It's dry air that's moving in our direction. It's already moved through the Bahamas now, entering into Miami. And as far as the rainfall goes here, showers are winding down. We're going to see the rain continue to be rather light for the next hour or so. Then it will slowly come to an end after about midnight, 12:30 or so. All this should be over. Some moderate rain right there near Bee Ridge and Fruitville and I-75. I showed you this earlier, the estimates right there near I-75 on University Parkway. They had the heaviest rain this afternoon, seeing up to nearly 3 inches in some isolated areas, but generally 2 inches at the airport. We had about a ½ inch of rainfall there. Currently, we have some light rain still occurring at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport. It's 77, and that has cooled down, though. So we had a little cooling effect because of this rain around, which is nice. 93 the high. That was well above the average of 90. 74 was the morning low. And looks like the rainfall, ½ inch, just over ½ inch at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport. We'll be getting a lot more on Sunday and possibly into Monday, too. And it looks like the forecast tomorrow. I'm still going to keep a slight chance for a few showers in late morning, early afternoon, but the activity won't be as widespread as we're seeing tonight, and I don't think we'll see as intense storms either. So tonight, showers ending. Tomorrow, you'll see a few showers trying to pop up here right along the coast late morning, afternoon. That tries to push inland, so we will see a few before that drier air moves in place. And notice in the afternoon and evening, late afternoon and evening, nothing going on, and it stays dry on Saturday, too. Sunday, the moisture will return, and we'll see a good chance for showers and storms on Sunday and continuing on into Monday, it appears. Well, Harvey is a storm that continues to head off to the west right now. Look at it a little bit more impressive tonight on the satellite imagery, and this system as well, which could soon be the next storm system. It's moving to the west at 40 mile-an-hour winds. It's moving to the west at around 15 miles an hour and will continue to move in that general direction. And as far as the forecast is concerned, we are continuing to watch the other systems out there as we take a look at what's going on with this one. Again, as far as the time goes with this, Tuesday would be the time that we would see any kind of problems with this disturbance number 2, which could become our next storm. And the next name will be Irma. Irma will be the next named storm for us here. Now let's get a look at the national satellite picture. You can see a frontal system moving through the lower Mississippi Valley. For boaters, it looks like this tomorrow. Winds will be generally light, as they have been, and running around light chop out there in the bays and inland waters. The water temperature at 90 degrees. Tides on your screen, there they are, 7:02 for sunrise tomorrow. Tonight, showers ending, partly cloudy and mild, 78 for a low tonight. And the extended forecast, dry on Saturday, 70 on Sunday, 70% chance that is. And then we'll be watching what happens with the tropics come Monday and Tuesday.